Yo, what's good people? I'm here with the one and only Kosfinger, my guy Infinite in the back as well. This is a special one, man, because a lot of people have been leaving comments telling me to cook up with Kosfinger. I know a lot of people have been in his comments asking him to make tutorials as well. So yeah, I hope you guys appreciate this one, man. Let's get straight into it. What are we cooking up? I don't even know what we're cooking up. I feel like we'll probably have to make a drill beat, don't we?
I don't mind either way.
Could
Normally
even
I'd
try
say
to do
like,
one or two.
start with melodies. You want to make a melody from scratch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or unless you got any samples in mind.
Normally I'll just look through my sample base.
Yeah, okay.
We could do that, I don't mind. There's this one, it's like a cover.
Oh, I know this song.
Yeah. I feel like that might pop.
Yeah, that could work.
There's this one that I've really wanted to make a Jersey beat.
Okay.
It'll be quite simple though. It's like
I recognize this as well from somewhere.
probably TikTok.
Yeah.
So it's up to
Let's
you.
play it again. I think if we had that with a vocal sample on top of it, it could sound crazy.
That would be hard.
What are you thinking? How do you want to do this? Do you want to do this, start with the sample chop or?
Should I just quickly like put in time and shit?
Yeah, do you think? Do you have like set ways that you sample? Like go-to techniques like halftime and certain chops that you do? Or is it
Depends
just
what
like,
I'm feeling, depends on the sample
Yeah.
to be fair. Like.
how long you been producing?
I started with music GCSE, so like 5 years ago.
Okay.
But I've only been like seriously doing it for like YouTube and shit for like since like, October 2021.
Maybe. It's that
Yeah,
little
it's just
noise
that.
at the end though. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Oh, like the Jersey bounce with the chop.
Yeah. Do you use a lot of automation in your beat?
Yeah, some beats a lot more than others.
Yeah, that's true.
But no, I definitely do. You ever seen an EDM project?
Yeah, man.
the automation on
And
those
it's not
beats
even
is
just
crazy.
that, bro. It's the way they do the drums. They don't do them here.
They
like,
sound design them, don't they?
No, bro. Like I mean, yeah, they do that as well. But they'll like
Oh, they'll do it in the
do, like,
playlist.
they'll do it here. They'll be
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, I find that kind of mad.
yeah, it's
I
fun.
do that for some stuff, obviously, like effects and
Yeah,
rises
for
and shit,
effects
but-
and shit, but. If you want, you could like do some shit on the beat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes in my Jersey beats, I like to have just in one section, when I'm picking up some energy, I'll have like a counter snare, but the Jersey bounce. beat placement happen?
Bro, I mean, I don't know if I'd call it a placement. He just freestyled to my beat over live.
Oh, sick.
He was on live, he was looking for drill beats, and he just he found my beat.
That's crazy. I say that's like a mad placement to have in it.
Yeah.
I still count it as one.
His rapping was awful, but because of speed, I had to put it on as like a...
Yeah, definitely.
I mean,
Big name.
because he posted on his YouTube like as a...
Did it?
The live stream he posted.
Man, I don't know if anyone can hear, but the speakers in here are fucked. Everything's blown. We can't hear how the kicks sound in the 808. I don't know, man. Hopefully to you guys it sounds all right, but to us it's just sounding like a mess and it's a struggle. Alright man, so we managed to finish one beat. We were gonna make it Jersey drill, but decided to keep it simple. But yeah, let's see what you think.
J Cactus.
It's Kosfinger, baby.
So we had to swap rooms. The speakers were fucked in the last one, so they've sent us to a new one. We've got 40 minutes, or less than that. We've got 35 minutes before the end of the session, so we're gonna see if we can cook something new up. All right, what vibe are we thinking this time?
Either melodic or hard.
Melodic or hard? Okay.
I don't mind.
clock's ticking in it today.
I feel like, you know them fucking, what was that series that was like 5 minute or 10
Oh
minute?
yeah, the ones
Like Ghosty was on it. M1.
yeah. Are we going like Jersey drill for this one or just pure drill?
I
Or?
think it would be good with like a Jersey switch up.
Okay. I was hearing the spins on this as well. This is sounding horrible. You want me to add some drill hats and
Yeah,
kicks?
sure, go for it. Yeah, sounds hard. I'll do that. No, go back a couple. Yeah. Well, this finishes at 12. Yeah, so it's like done in 10 minutes, yeah. I'm on it, bro.
What are you thinking? A quick Jersey section?
Yeah, literally, it's quick.
Yeah. I think by the time I get back,
It's Kosfinger, baby.
J Cactus.